नाजरीन, इस वीडियो में हम लिटरेसी मोबिलाइज़र मॉनिटर और डीटी के हवाले से जो अहम क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि पेपर में टेस्ट में आ सकते हैं वो लर्न करेंगे। तो इस वीडियो को गौर से देखें। ये तीसरी वीडियो है। तीसरी वीडियो का पहला क्वेश्चन, व्हाट कैन नॉट बी थॉट कैन नॉट बी रियल इज अकॉर्डिंग टू। इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, आइडियलिज्म। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, in strong the purpose of education, pragmatists would probably stress the need for. Its answer is option B, experience in democratic social process. Next question, the existentialist teacher is most likely to view teaching as. Its answer is option D, a performance that evokes student insight or learning. Next question, and desirable models of behavior of a society are called. Its answer is option A, values. Next question, the universe of natural object is believed as ultimate real reality by. Its answer is option D, naturalists. Next question, education means. Its answer is option A, experience. Next question, a descriptive definition of term is. Its answer is option A, explanation. Next question, realism was a reaction to the narrowness of. Its answer is option A, idealism. Next question, civic aims of education includes. Its answer is option A, civic sense. Sociological aims of education includes. Its answer is option D, all. ये तीनों चीज़ें होती हैं, कल्चरल ग्रोथ, स्किल्स एंड ड्यूटीफुलनेस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एसेंशियलिस्ट stress upon. Its answer is option A, mental discipline. Next question, normally philosophy may be a prescriptive, and its answer is option A, speculative. Next question, why says human nature remains the same everywhere, where hence education should be same for everyone. Its answer is option A, Prenealism. Next question, who believe experimental knowledge is real. Its answer is option C, progressivism. Next question, philosophy is a general theory of. Its answer is option A, education. Next question, etymological definition of a word should its derivation from. Its answer is option D, Greek, Latin. Next question, the term pragmatism derives its origin from. Option A is correct, Greek. Epistemology in philosophy deals with. Its answer is option A, knowledge. Nature of scientific knowledge rests on empiricism. Its answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, according to naturalism, the aim of education is. Its correct answer option B, self experience. The application of philosophy in education may be. Its answer is option A, selection of objectives. Next question, ethics and aesthetics are components of. Its answer is option A, axiology. Next question, logical and scientific thinking include. Its answer is option D, value system. Next question, aims of educations are used for the process of education to. Its answer is option D, all. Next question, the function of educator is to lead the child near reality is the educational philosophy of realists. Next question, the primary focus philosophy is knowledge of. Its answer is option B, universe. Authentic knowledge is gained through empirical experiences. For next question, for the learning of students, progressivists teacher put more emphasis on. Its answer is option C, practical education. Next question, lecture method is the choice of. Its answer is option A, idealist teacher. Next question, classroom environment will be teacher central if teacher is idealist. Next question, nature itself is a real according to. Option B is correct, naturalism. Next question, for instruction pragmatists teacher tend to rely heavily on. Its answer is option B, problem solving and project method. Next question, philosophy and education are the two sides of a coin according to Ross. As the next question is, the curriculum will child center if teacher is progressivist. An important question of philosophy is, what is universe? Next question, value do not change over time because the truth truths should truths which they related do not change. Those who agree with this statement are probably idealists. Next question, an electric is one who takes benefit from several philosophies. Its answer D. Next question, learning should be directly related to the interest of the child. Its answer is option B, progressivism. Next question, the word transcendentalism means. Its answer is option D, going beyond man's experience for knowledge of truth. Next question, concept of reconstructions was originated by. Its answer is option D, John Davy. Next question, pragmatism concern with change as a. Option D is right, reality. Next question, realism concerns with reality of. Its answer is option D, universe. Next question, the essentialists would get their aim of age of education from. Its answer is option B, traditions. Next question, to seek truth and reality is the subject of. Option B is right, philosophy. Next question, education plays a vital role in the. Option D, all of the above. Next question, essentialist philosophy of education is content and teacher centered. Next question, every system of education is based upon ideology of nation. As the next question is, according to idealism, the aim of education is to develop mind and soul. Next question, word philosophy is derived from two Greek words. Its answer is option B, Philia and Sophia. Next question, uh, Pragmatism was introduced by option D is right. William James. Next question. Expected life outcomes from form education referred as. Its answer is option C. Aims of education. Next question. The type of knowledge derived from sense is known as. Its answer is option C. Logical. Next question. Who says education is life itself, not a preparation for life? Its answer is option A. Perennialism. Next question. One of the requirement of a discipline. Its answer is option D. None of these. इनमें से कोई नहीं. Next question. The great method of teaching by naturalists is option C is right. Role playing. Next question is education discipline in Pakistan reflects. Option A is right. Ideology of Pakistan. Next question. Who says formancy is more real than change? Its answer is option A. Next question. Being science of wisdom, philosophy aims at. Its answer is option B. Search for reality. Next question. Philosophy literally means love for wisdom. Next question. Move from journal statements to specific instances and application refers to deduction. Next question. Perennialism is an educational philosophy of old values. Next question. Education as the reorganization of experience is expounded by John Davy. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.